What's up everybody, we are back with another video. Today is Hot Wheels time and you might hear it in my voice. I'm pretty excited because, in my last videos I was always complaining how hard it is this year to find some new diecast stuff, but finally I was lucky and I got into the store when they restocked and they got a fresh 2024 F case. And normally the best stuff is gone, but this time I think I found everything that is, at least for me, important, and that is pretty cool. So all the stuff I will show you is from F case, might be one or two, I don't know, models from E case, but anyways, there is some pretty cool stuff in there. As you can see, we got a lot of new castings, a lot of really cool recolors. So with that said, I would say let's get started. And yeah, let's get started with this guy here, which is definitely yeah, one of the highlights from this year, in my opinion. It's the Porsche 911 Carrera as a key fob. So yeah, let's open this thing up and put it here on the rotator. So this is pretty cool. I guess many collectors will be after this guy here. So I mean, this is such an iconic shape, the 911, and as you can see right here, it's got the it's a Hot Wheels lettering on this side. This is pretty cool, and the Porsche on this side. Didn't notice that when it was in the packaging. Here's the Hot Wheels logo. This is pretty cool. So there's one problem in my opinion, as you can see. This one has a little issue with the Porsche badge on the hood. That's a little bit unfortunate, as you can see. And on top of that, in my opinion, it's a little bit too big. I know, or I guess it's very hard to make it that small, but I think it's a little bit off scale, the Porsche badge. And but I got a second one, and I can show you this guy right here. I think it is, yeah, it's hard to see. It has also a little bit of an issue, but it's not as bad as on this one. But this is really cool, and I think these will fly off the shelves. So bare metal, very, very cool. This one goes into the parking lot. And I would say let's go on with fantasy casting, which is the Tanknator. Yeah, I don't have one of these. Seems like this is an older casting. It's from, what does the base say? 2015. There we go. This thing here on top does rotate. Yeah. Plastic base. The part in the middle here, or just this part, is metal. It's kind of cool. You don't see a lot of stuff like that these days. And let's go on with, I think this is also a new casting. Yeah. The Pontiac Aztec Custom. Yeah. Whenever there is a top 10 list of the world's most ugliest production car, the Pontiac Aztec surely is in the, I don't know, top 3 or 5. But I think it's kind of cool, and I'm pretty happy that they've done this. I mean, this thing has really, well, it's gotten popular because of the TV show Breaking Bad, car of Walter White. Now here in a custom version, and this one looks kind of cool. Comes also with kind of a racing livery. We get details on the front, on the hood, on the side, nothing on the back. But this one's really cool. So let's go on with the Mighty K. This is fantasy casting, generic casting, but I really like this one. I think it's already the fifth mainline version. So as you can see, this guy mimics a Japanese K truck, and I think it looks very good. Love the details here in the back. As you can see, there's a molded in skateboard, which is pretty cool. Yeah, we get deco on the back, on the side, and it got lens headlights. I mean, you know, this generic stuff is always a little bit controversial, but this one, I really like this one. So it goes into my Mighty K collection. Then I would say let's go on with Golf deco of the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Yeah, I mean, you know, Golf is also controversial. Some people think there's too many models with Golf deco. I think it's okay. I like the livery, and this one looks really good. You know, if you're a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend, by the way, then you know I don't like it when they do these huge wheels in the back, and I think it's just too much in my opinion. But all in all, love the deco, iconic Golf deco. So this one goes into the Golf collection. Really nice. Then we have the Mazda Autozam. This is the second version of this winner of the Hot Wheels Legend Tour. First version was in white, now in in a matte blue, or it's a what's that? A gray blue. Yeah, looks yeah special. I really like it. Into the parking lot. Let's go on with this one here. Ford Performance Supervan 4. This is also a new casting. There we go. Unfortunately, no headlights. The front looks, yeah, very plain, so to say, but we get some pretty nice deco on the side. And as you can see, I guess the back part is part of the interior piece, black base, but we got a blue interior, which is also the back part. And yeah, there's also some deco on it, so pretty nice. Not a huge van fan, but this thing does look good. Let's park it here, and we go on with Volvo XC40 Recharge. I think it's already the fourth version of this one. So we've seen the same deco on this one in another color, but to be honest, I think it was blue, if I remember it correctly. Yeah, now in white. Also, no headlights. Yeah, but the back does look very good. The iconic Volvo taillights looking really good. Let's take a look at another fantasy casting, the Flippin Fast. This is kind of interesting. So yeah, as you can see, can drive let's say, normal and upside down, which is pretty cool. So rolls on this side and also on the other side. Oops. Yes, I have to test this on our racetrack. Take a look at this thing. So we have these really huge wheels. I mean, it looks strange. I think the black part is plastic and the orange part seems to be metal. Here's our driver. Yeah, interesting, but yeah, we have to check that out on the racetrack. What else do we got? Let's go on with this one here. Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. Also a new casting. Comes in a flat black livery with these golden rims. Looks really nice. Doesn't have any headlights or taillights, but I like this golden deco here around the cabin. Also really nice. Then, unfortunately, I only got one of these, the 94 Audi Avant RS2. I think it's the fourth color. First one was blue, then I think black, silver, and now in red. But this red does look really, really good, and I hope I find another one so I can keep it carded. But let's take a look at this guy. Yeah, this looks really good. Really nice details on the back. This huge light bar, the Audi rings, the Audi Sport logo, and a very nice crisp front with the Audi rings, headlights. Yeah, iconic car and a pretty nice Hot Wheels version. Then we have this guy here. I'm not 100% sure. I think it was the Super in the E case. I'm not really sure. I think in the F case, the Super is the El Camino, but I'm not 100% sure. And I think the regular treasure hunt is a Batmobile, but I couldn't find it. So seems like I missed something. But anyways, this is also a new casting, I think. Let's take a look at the base. Yes, it is. So a lot of new stuff in this case. Well, it's to be honest, it's just not my cup of tea. I'm not a huge fan of these Fiat 500s and Minis, and yeah, I think it's a nice model here with the Italian flag and the checkered stuff on top, and yeah, silver or chrome interior, engine details. But yeah, all in all, not my cup of tea. But we're still not done. We got the Ford GT40 in a new deco, and this one is pretty nice. The last version I think was in white, so let's say basically same deco but white. But I think this blue version looks much better. The wheels with the chrome lips, bigger wheels in the back. It's a nice version. Then recolor for the Brickin Delivery. I think it's the 3rd or 4th version, and this is the best one in my opinion so far. So if you are not familiar with this casting, you can take off these pieces, put it all back together, and yeah, it comes with a metal base. The rest is plastic. And I really like these flames in pixel style here on the side. This one's pretty cool. Really like it. Into the parking lot it goes. Then go on with this one here, the Aston Martin 1963 DB5. Celebrating 6 years of Goldfinger, it seems. I think it's an older casting. Let's take a look at the base. I think 2013. There we go. We have a license plate. What does it say? BMT 216A. I'm not really sure. I think here on the side it's saying DB5. Front is looking good. Chrome base. Right-hand drive for sure. Nice. Then we have a recolor for the Nissan Patrol Custom. I think it's the 4th version. So we've seen this Mountain Rescue deco before. Now it's in green. Last version was red. Camera down. Comes with the blue tinted windows. Yeah. Nice. And let's finish this unboxing with the Audi RS e-tron GT coming in yeah, what is this? Olive? Kind of an olive color. I think this color is controversial. Many people do like it. I'm not really sure about this. I think it... I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know if I like it. It looks a little bit strange to me, but anyways, let's take a look at the back. Does it say amped up on the license plate? Details on the back and on the front, also license plate. Pretty nice. So let's take a final look of all the models from today. And as always, you know, I'm always picking a favorite, but I think this time it's quite easy. It's definitely our 911 Key Fob. This is really cool. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that for many collectors this will be very hard to find, because I guess many people will be after this one. So that's it for today's video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.